What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders doing some end of the day scans today on September the 22nd. And right now I am looking at ticker symbol TLRY on the daily chart over the past year price history. And before we get into the chart, I just want to let everyone know that I am currently doing a small account challenge where I just work with $500 in one laptop and see how far we can grow this or blow up this account. So if you're interested in that, you can find it on the YouTube channel. It is updated daily, and you can just kind of walk through the journey with me and see what happens. Anyways, back to the chart. So this is the daily over the past year, and as you can see, it's been in a pretty strong downtrend. However, today there was a nice little spike in volume, the most volume it's seen for pretty much about a month and a half. So there might be some interesting plays in the smaller time frames. So we're going to bring it down to more of an intraday chart, the 5-minute, and already I can see a pattern unfolding, and we're going to just highlight that for you and see if you can make a nice profitable trade. So early in the day, around 11 a.m., we had a nice bullish move up, causing a bull pattern. All right, and then the price has then pulled back, or more or less just gone sideways in more of a consolidating pattern, looking like a support right here around the 130, and resistance, let's say for the most part around this one, we'll just call it 150. All right, and we have now a bull pole and flag. So we had a nice bullish movement, and now traders have been consolidating in this range, this channel, and we're looking for the next leg up on this. So there's a couple different ways you can trade this. One being a speculative buy, meaning you're going to be buying within the pattern. The pros to this is that you can have a tight stop loss below the flag, maybe around like 24 cents or maybe even lower than that, depending on your risk management. And you can have a little bit more of a higher range going up into the pattern, giving you more of a range to profit off of, and then looking for the breakout past that. Or you can do what I would recommend, especially this being a penny stock, which you're going to be looking for confirmation. This is going to be a momentum or a day trade or a very quick swing trade, meaning you're going to be buying at the break of $5.50 on an increase in volume at the same amount of time. The increase in volume is very important. It's going to show you that this is a strong move, a momentum move. It's going to be really cemented and showing you that the bulls have full control of this move out, so you don't get a fake out. So you're going to be looking for that break of the 550. And a good way to judge on where you could potentially take profits and how far this can go is look at the move, the range it has in general. Meaning, look at this bull pole. This is a nice range and nice solid move. This is moving from about 490 up to about, we're just going to say 445, just because I don't want to overshot. We'll call it 540 actually, just for easy math. All right, so about a 50-cent move. So I could easily see this break here and going up to $6 in the near term if this is break. Granted, yes, it could go higher than that, but that would be my first profit-taking area, meaning you could take off a quarter of your position, a third of your position, half of your position, or all of your position. If you do leave some shares on the table, then maybe you can let that ride for future gains. And I just want to pull back a little bit to the, what were we on, the daily? No, we were on the hourly, 5-minute? Yeah, the 5-minute, that's what we're at. So actually, when I was drawing up this pattern, I didn't want to deter from this. I do these analysts right when I'm recording, so this is all pretty raw. But when I was drawing up these lines, I did see that they actually line up with a lot of other areas. So this 530 area where we said it was support, as you can see in the past, support, and then becoming resistance, which is very common for when price does break below. Supports to become resistance, and when you break out of resistances, they normally become a support, and that's what happened over here. And actually, this 550 range just also caught my eye. If you line it up, pretty much right here, you can see, oh, did it again. You see that was resistance, 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 and resistance again, obviously. So that is definitely where a lot of people can have their eyes on. It's gonna be very important to keep their, keep that area on watch. All right, traders. Well, that is this video analysis. I hope you took some value out of it. If you did, please hit that like button. It helps me out a ton. If you have any questions or comments about the ticker, definitely comment below. I'd love to get back to you. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to our channel. And definitely check out our small account challenge. If you're a beginner, it's a very interesting challenge. Who knows what can happen? I can either blow it up or grow into something very nice. It's very tough to do with $500. All right, traders. Thank you for watching. And until next time, stay profitable.